I'm about to blow your mind because in this video, I'm going to show you how to still make money with clients who can't afford you. Here you are seeing the top three of what I'm about to talk here. Goodwill offer, downsell to paid templates, ask for referral, and give 15 to 25%. But let's get into more detail. This is the last video of the Authority Accelerator series. If you haven't watched the first video, second video, third video, I highly suggest you do so after finishing this one. So let's get right into it. Goodwill offer, what is it? So let's say you are selling a website for $2,000. This is my, I'd say, beginner price. And even me, I'm still selling websites at this price with templates. So great price. If you are not doing much work to it. What is the Goodwill offer? You negotiate into a payment plan. So let's say someone tells you $2,000 is expensive for me right now, cannot afford it. Okay, no problem. So example number one is $1,250 setup fee plus $100 for 12 months. That gives you $2,450. Example number two is to tell you, oh, even to even 1,215 is so expensive, blah blah blah. Okay, 950 setup fee plus 125 for 12 months gives you the exact same number as the first one here. So what we're trying to do here is to downsell to still get them as a client, and you end up making more money by the end of it. And you'll be surprised on how many more clients you can get with this strategy because you're just converting more instead of dismissing them. And this is not over yet. So let's keep moving. I want you to understand that when I sell websites, I don't even talk about the tool. I sell the outcome. I learned SEO. I'm not telling that you need to learn that, but if you learn SEO, then it's just going to be much easier to sell websites. That's the reality of things. And disclaimer, do not present your Goodwill offer before price objections. So you don't want to tell them, oh, by the way, I have payment plans, yada yada. You want to present your offer when there's a price objections. And honestly, you can after present your Goodwill offer if you have that many clients because you end up making more money with the payment plan. But if you are a beginner and you want cash, then I will only present this after there's price objections. Use data to showcase what a modern website brings to the table, why a new website is necessary to your client. If you cannot prove that and understand why they need a new website, then you won't be able to sell your website. It's as simple as that. If I ask you the question, how your new website is going to help my business, and you cannot answer this question, then you have to do some homework. For my case, I help MedSpa rank higher on Google and convert more visitors into booked appointments. As I said, I learned SEO, and this is like a big leverage for me. A lot of designers won't have the same offer per se. So, me being able to pitch that my website will get ranked on Google confidently because I have results, then I'm able to close clients much easier. So, strategy number two, downsell to paid templates. When I say paid templates, is because you might have free templates as well, but here we want to take their money. This is the goal here. As harsh as it might sound, but it is the reality. So the main offer is 2K, then you present Goodwill offer, and even if after presenting the Goodwill offer they're like, I'll think about it, whatever. I say, okay, by the way, we have templates. So if you want to try and do it yourself, we have a full training showing you from start to finish how we create websites in 5 days and how you can do the same just by following our training. I won't sell a training like step by step videos for $100. $100 is like templates only. That's it. $500 is the template plus me going over how to customize the template, how to rank on Google, yada yada, for 500 bucks. It's basically a training. And this is also basically me just filming myself doing my work, and I transform that into something that I can sell for people who cannot afford neither the 2K, neither the Goodwill offer. So now you have three buckets where you can um, transform clients. And don't forget that if someone buys here, perhaps in 6 months or a year, they will come back to you for a new website. You don't know that, but still have this so you can still make money. Third and last point is to ask for referral. I mean, yeah, it might sound simple, but you'll be surprised on how many people don't ask for referral, as they don't also ask for testimonials. Same thing. It's not blank. It's not simple. So just do it. They cannot assume for you, oh, let me refer this to someone. If you give them an incentive, 25%, then now we are talking serious. So if you have no team member, as I assume in the beginning, giving 25% is fair enough, especially taking into consideration how easy it is to make the website with Framer. And, I want to emphasize on this point because it's just so easy to make websites with Framer. So easy. It's laughably easy. Like, it feels criminal. It feels like I'm doing some shady things because I'm able to create a website in a day and charge $2,000 for it. So this is not selling a dream, because it is the reality of things. Whenever you have your template ready and you have your processes ready, you can start making websites in literally 1 day, 2 days maximum, and charge as much as you want. It's all about value here. Okay, so if you are able to explain why this is worth the money, then they will happily give you their money. And bonus, give free if. This is really, really important. If, as a beginner, offer a free website if someone refers you two new clients. Put your website in footer. So when I say put your website, whenever you'll have your website, you put it on the footer of your client's website. So just an example here, you create a website for your client, then on the footer, made by Imed Jahabi or made by Framer with me. And then when they click on it, they land on my website, they see that I do website for med spa, whatever. Intermediate. So when I say intermediate, is like when you are making at least like 5K and stable income, then you can now get to the next level where you know what, yeah, you have to refer me 4 clients so I can give you a free website. But at the end of the day, even too, like I told you, like, making websites now is a joke. It is a joke. Whenever you have your processes and templates, it becomes a joke to you. So I'll stay even with 2 new clients, because that's basically worth $4,000. Me personally, now I charge 2.5 at least, so that's 5K. I don't mind doing a website for free for someone who refers me 2 clients. Why not? So depends. If now, like, you gave someone a new website because he referred to you 2 new clients, then you start giving them the 25%. Very, very good. Out of $1,000, that's 250. So for a 2K website, you give them 500 bucks. That's amazing. This is it for the video. Now, my pre-sale is officially launched. You can head to framerfreelance.com to secure your pre-order price. And just to let you know, I won't ever put the same price again. And if you are on my wait list, check your email, because I have a surprise for you. See you next time.